All right, in this problem, the number 609, the dividend, is being divided by the divisor, which is 0.05, or you could say 5 hundredths. And to decide if you need to move the decimal, you should look at the divisor. And if there's a decimal in the divisor, you need to move the decimal. So there is a decimal in the divisor, so you need to move the decimal until it hits the wall. Wait, that's another way to say that you need the divisor to be a whole number. So we just changed that to a 5. Well, I also need to move the decimal 2 times in the dividend. Well, I don't see the decimal in the dividend, but we have to know that 609 is the same as 609.0. So there really is a decimal here at the end. So then we need to move the decimal 2 places to the right, which means I'm going to need to add 2 zeros to the end of this number. So this becomes 60,900. That looks hard to read, so let me write that again. So 60,900. And let me erase the rest of this so I have room to work. All right, now I can ask the question, how many times does 5 go into 6? Well, 5 goes into 6 one time. 1 times 5 is 5. Sister subtract, 6 minus 5 is 1. Brother bring down. 5 goes into 10. Well, that's exactly 2 times. So I put a 2 up here. Mother multiply, 2 times 5 is 10. Sister subtract. Brother bring down. All right, the question is, how many times does 5 go into 9? Well, 15 and 10 are both too much, so we have to say 1 time. Mother multiply, 1 times 5 is 5. 9 times 5, or 9 minus 5, sorry, is 4. Then I bring down a 0. How many times does 5 go into 40? Well, 5 goes into 40 exactly 8 times. So I put an 8 at the top. 8 times 5 is 40. I get 0. And then I need to bring down the 0. All right, how many times does 5 go into 0? 0 times. And there's nothing to bring down. So that's my answer, 12,180. So I'll type 12180, and then I'll count 1, 2, 3 numbers and put a comma. And let's see if I got it right. Yes, that is correct.